Ladies and gentlemen, we gather here today to bond these two in holy matrimony.
How the hell are we gonna find her in this place?
Guys, it's the guy from Bridget's Instagram story.
Guys, Bridget just posted on our Instagram story. She's at the wedding chapel. Let's go! Alright.
We're coming, Bridget!
Guys, I'm sensing like Nicole is in trouble. Yeah, I'm sensing that you're just in love with Nicole.
What's that sound?
Shh, guys, it's coming from this closet. Nicole!
Whoa, Nicole! Oh my god!
I've never been happier to see you guys.
You okay?
Bridget's getting married like right now. We have to stop it.
What the hell? Let's go get him.
We can't just storm in there. This guy's wanted. He's probably armed and dangerous.
Oh no!
I have an idea.